Not all wires are the same. Here's how to choose the right BNTECHGO wire. Standard silicone wire is soft and heat-resistant, perfect for circuits that bend frequently. Thick wires are durable and can carry higher currents, while thin wires are flexible and easy to route through tight spaces. It's reliable for robots, LEDs, and 3D printers. Parallel silicone wire joins to conductors together, keeping wiring neat while still allowing easy separation. Each wire is made of fine-stranded copper for stable current. Ideal for power connections, battery packs, or LED strips where tidy and reliable wiring is important. Silicone ribbon cables combine multiple conductors into a flat, flexible format. Perfect for compact spaces with several connections. Flexible and easy to route, commonly used in control panels, signal wiring, and compact electronics. Multi-core silicone wire bundles several insulated wires in one jacket, simplifying cable management while keeping flexibility and heat resistance. Great for robotics, automation, or complex electronics requiring multiple connections. FEP Teflon wire is heat-resistant and chemical-resistant with a thin, stable insulation. Ideal for precision or tight space applications. Commonly used in aerospace, medical devices, test equipment, and high-frequency electronics. PVC wire is affordable and durable, suitable for general wiring at room temperature and low-power applications. Perfect for DIY projects, household electronics, and internal wiring, easy to install and work with. Magnet wire is bare copper coated with a thin layer of enamel. Minimal insulation allows tight winding and efficient electromagnetic performance. Commonly used in transformers, sculptures, motors, and coils. Need flexibility and heat resistance? Choose standard silicone wire. Thin wires are easy to route. Thick wires handle higher currents. Want neat wiring and easy separation? Choose parallel silicone wire. Need multi-conductor flexibility? Multi-core silicone wire is best. Need flat, compact, organized wiring? Choose silicone ribbon cable. Working in high temperature or chemical environments, FEP Teflon wire is most reliable. For general, low power, cost-effective wiring, PVC wire is a solid choice. Winding coils or motors, magnet wire is irreplaceable for tight, efficient winding. BNTECHGO offers wires for every need. Check out the full range using the links below. If this video helped, give us a like and subscribe for more tech and electrical tips.